University of Excellence provides higher quality of education.
Students are the most important element in the teaching-learning process.
Generate and transfer knowledge and technology for sustainable development of the community.
Involving itself into the regional and national development trusts of the country.
An informal way of educating people who cannot normally access the services of the university in a formal setting.
Pursue academy-based entrepreneurship that builds partnership and networking.
Generate income additional to what the national government provides the university.
The university that survived the test of times continues to leave an indelible mark in the lives of every Bicolano. As initiated by the late Congressman Carlito Imperial and Chofisto Alberto, passed to the Senate by Senator Dominador Aitona, and signed by the former President Ferdinand Marcos, the Republic Act 5521 leads to the creation of the first state university in Bicol region on June 21, 1969. It integrated the reputable academic institutions in Albay. These schools developed the manpower of Bicol for more than half a century prior to the integration. Through the Section 2 of Republic Act 5521, the Bicol Teachers College along with Darga East Central School and Albay High School in Legazpi City became the College of Education in its laboratory schools. The Bicol Regional School of Arts and Trades became the Bicol University School of Arts and Trades. The Rojas Memorial Agricultural School became the College of Agriculture. And the School of Fisheries became the College of Fisheries. These institutions became the components and the first colleges of the premier state university in Bicol region, as it was formally organized on September 22, 1970 by virtue of the Resolution No. 1 approved by the Board of Regents. The Bicol University. Unity and harmony were considerably attained among the initial colleges of the university. To produce powerful forces in education and research, the BU Graduate School offered the first graduate education in June 1971. In the same year, the College of Arts and Sciences and the College of Engineering were established, followed by the College of Nursing in 1973. In 1992, the BU Institute of Communication and Cultural Studies was created. Its first course offered was the Bachelor of Communication Arts, major in Speech and Theater Arts, and later added to major specialization, the Journalism and Audiovisual Communication. The changing demands of times paved the way for the establishment of BS Forestry program in 1993, and the College of Agriculture was renamed College of Agriculture and Forestry. Likewise, the College of Fisheries was restructured to be the BU Tobacco Campus. In 1995, the Institute of Physical Education, Sports and Recreation was established to manage PE classes and recreation programs of the university, and the School of Arts and Trades was renamed College of Industrial Technology. A year after, BU Gubat Campus was put up on June 1996. In December of 2000, the School of Philippine Craftsmen in Pulangi Albay was integrated as part of the university and was renamed BU Pulangi Campus. The Comprehensive Development Plan, which took effect in 2004, introduced major changes in the structure of the university. The College of Arts and Sciences and the Institute of Communication and Cultural Studies were dissolved. Instead, 4 new colleges were born: the College of Arts and Letters, College of Science, College of Social Sciences and Philosophy, and the College of Business Economics and Management. Bicol University is now composed of 14 colleges and campuses, as other colleges maintain their structure in spite of the changes brought by the changing demands of time. The province where the majestic Mount Mayon is located houses the first state university in Bicol region. The main campus was initially located in Legazpi City. Later, other campuses were established in the municipalities of Daraga, Ginubatan, Pulangi, Tabaco City in Albay, and Gubat campus in Gubat, Sorsogon. As guided by the institution's vision, a university of excellence characterized by scholarship engagement for the community towards sustainable development. Bicol University has made significant impact to the community by producing globally competitive and quality higher education graduates, and by generating new knowledge and technologies which, when transferred, will make a difference in the lives of the people. As university committed to the pursuit of excellence, Bicol University passed institutional, national, and international standards. 44.44 of its programs are AACUP accredited. In 2011, Bicol University obtained its certification in the International Organization for Standardization or ISO, the first ever higher education institution in the country to receive the said certification.
It brings us to a culture of improvement. Administration takes care of finance, takes care of the HR, we take care of facilities, we take care of, generally we take care of the resources. If there are no faculty members, if there are no researchers, if there are no extensionists, definitely we cannot proceed with any of those mandated functions.
Instruction is the most important since this is a university. So I consider it as the heart of the university.
Bicol University started with 24 curricular offerings, now increased to 112 programs and more to be added in the succeeding years. At present, Bicol University is catering its services to more than 23,000 students enrolled in different degree programs as its immediate clientele, which 69% of them are scholars.
We want to give you the best education that you deserve.
The university's academic degree programs have achieved Level 3 status with several candidates already on their way.
Being the teacher education institution, this is only college in the university that has been recognized as the center of excellence.
We are the only center of development of fisheries education. Second is that we are also under the NAPES program. We were awarded as one of the National Center for Fisheries.
The best learning and practices acquired by the students mold them to be highly competitive professionals.
Are the top school in accountancy in terms of the CPA board exam, and we rank second the national.
We are level 3 accredited and we have a good performance rating in the licensure examination.
The College of Engineering has been the producer of top notchers ever since.
Social work department has been considered by the Professional Regulation Commission as the top performing school in social work.
We still have other programs here like peace studies, which is unique. Actually, in the Philippines, we're the only one offering peace program.
We have produced graduates who are now leaders in their respective fields of specialization.
We have also introduced innovations in the delivery of our instruction by providing our students opportunities to have scholarship abroad through our partnership with Dongsu University in Busan, Korea.
Our graduates will speak for the quality, for the kind of education that BU offers. That's the most important accomplishment in terms of instruction.
research is at the core of both instruction and extension functions because we generate ideas.
In May 2000, the Research Statistics Center was renamed to Bicol University Research and Development Center. The center has been contributing to the regional and national development through its responsive researches. Bicol University is also the host institution for Bicol Consortium for Agricultural Resources, Research and Development.
Every year, we're able to conduct at least 60 to 80 researches covering the different disciplines of the university.
We've done so many research and from experimental aquaculture, technology development to social research.
We are already known in the region in terms of research in food technology.
We are producing graduates who are capable of conducting researches on chemistry, biology, computer science, information technology, and meteorology.
The contribution that we made is more on technology innovations. We also applied for patents, particularly those utility models innovated and invented by the faculty.
That could be used both for instruction, extension, and lastly, I think, is for production.
We have researches being funded by international funding donors, and we also have researches now ongoing with the Department of Agriculture and Bureau of Agricultural Research. We also have research on rice production under changing rainfall patterns. So you see it deals with climate change, which include the change in pests and diseases, succession, and then control measures.
The research articles of Bicol University has been awarded and published in national and international journals.
One researcher presented his research in Singapore last October. And this coming 2013, another research, which is my research, the fuel efficient charcoal stove, is to be presented in Florence, Italy.
Being a national awardee, I won twice in the competition as an outstanding inventor for 2 years in the national.
When you do research, that means you upgrade your knowledge. And with upgrade knowledge comes also quality teaching for the faculty.
It is an inherent function of an institution of higher learning with the purpose of initiating, catalyzing, and sustaining the development of various communities using their experience and available resources.
We have 2 extension programs. We have the Farmer Scientist Training Program, which is nationally awarded. And another one, we have a Student Farmer Scientist Training Program, which is a community-based approach. The reasons why we would like to come up with this is that we would like to bring Bicol University closer to the community in which we serve, and following the suggestions of the President that we should go nearer to our clients. So that's the reason why we brought down the program, an extension program, to the level of the farmers themselves.
The Extension Service Center became the voice of Bicol University through the broadcast media on information and agricultural development. It also gave assistance to its partner agencies.
We extend our services through various forms. We have radio programs. We have one, the Radio Verde, which is a student-initiated activity that we sustain up to the present. We also have community-based theater.
which we implement in partnership with our adopted barangays. We have been also extending technical assistance to the non-government and government agencies like the local government units in the province. We have DOH, PAPCOM. We also have partnership with the NCCA, the CCP, and other theater groups.
The Bicol University Extension Service Center has an active involvement in implementing the Technogabay program of the PICART, a successful program in partnership with an agency implementing technology transfer and information services to farmers under the FIT Center.
We are helping indigenous people by teaching them technologies in agriculture as well as, of course, entrepreneurship.
Bicol University also received awards through its extension programs and services. At present, Bicol University Extension Service Center aims to model technologies and research resources that it has introduced to the community, which would help the people become resilient to disasters and climate challenges.
We are really serious in trying to address educating to build resilient communities.
It's supposed to generate funds for the university for whatever purposes that the university will plan out and implement.
When production mandate was introduced, the priorities were on agricultural production, food processing, and entrepreneurial programs.
Well, currently, it's not a major function anymore of the university, but sort of an auxiliary function.
The relation of the university as funded by the national government is not a total dependence. It has generated incomes through school fees, investments, business and production income.
Higher Education Modernization Act. All SUCs are now allowed to retain and utilize the income from tuition and other sources to be used by the university in its development.
Every summer we conduct Learn to Swim program, and we are the one in charge of the PE uniform, which help also the university to generate income.
For now, we have only the so-called internal production projects like rentals from bus, rentals from our facilities, rentals from rooms, and we have started also the market study of selling culinary herbs into tea, etc.
It's a whole system, from production to post-production up to commercialization of whatever product that we're going to produce.
Production will stay as a major function because we still have to generate so much funds for development.
We adhere to rules, we adhere to policies. Without them, we cannot comply with good governance rules and traditions.
The university doesn't aim to compete, but to complement to clientele satisfaction and to pass the quality standards through the quality of education, innovative researches, and community-based extension services.
To be a member of Bicol University, an excellent university, requires rigor in your study and commitment to become scholars yourselves.
Bicol University's achievements are now written in the pages of the university's rich history. In more than 4 decades of serving the Bicolanos, Bicol University continues to become a true catalyst of change and development. Guided by the values of the 4 pillars, namely scholarship, leadership, character, and service embodied from the administration down to its students, committed to excellence, innovation, and good governance, Bicol University community aims to sustain its respectable name in the records of advanced and higher education in the country.
We try to connect everything from instruction to production.
We are helping the development of our country and we are addressing significant issues and concerns.
The development of manpower for education and leadership.
To the improvement of the quality of life of the Bicolanos and the Filipinos.
Through the promotion and preservation of our own culture and identity.
We've done a lot of improvement.
Achieve more, maybe 100%.
We hope to sustain this top-performing stature that we have.
To protect all the ideas, researches of our students.
Carving a name for themselves and for the university.
We maintain the title.
All of us are servants.
We will continue serving as the service provider
Because this is the only way that we will be able to achieve excellence.
We are committed to give you quality education as you commit yourselves to become scholars.
Bicol University.